restaurant conversation. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Jordan House. Can I help you? Can we have a table for two, please? Please, come this way. Hi, how are you doing this afternoon? Fine, thank you. Can I see a menu, please? Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. Can I have the fried chicken? And what about you, madam? I'll have a well-done steak. Which two sides would you like with your meal? We'll have French fries and grilled vegetables. Would you like something to drink? Yes, bring me one of your famous cocktails, please. And I'll have a Diet Coke. Thank you. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Can I get you anything else? No, thanks. Excuse me, do you have a dessert menu? We surely do. Here it is. Then I'll have 2 slices of cheesecake. All right, I'll be right back. Here you are, sir. Please enjoy. Thank you very much. Excuse me, I would like the check, please. Will you be paying together or separately? This one's on me. How much is it? Your total is $45.80. Here you are. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.